Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Unidenticals. I'm Lahari and video for today is Top 3 Foundations. Welcome back to our new series, hashtag Beginner's Guide. So most of you guys requested for a beginner's guide video, so here it is. So we're gonna make all the videos for beginners. The upcoming video is gonna be all about the beginner's makeup guide, where we're gonna talk about foundation, mascara, eyeshadow palettes, blush, concealers and lot many more. So stay tuned for all those interesting videos. It's gonna be really helpful, and at the end of these series we're gonna show you a beginner's makeup kit. And so excited for that, let's get started. So a quick disclaimer guys, before we start this video, let me tell you that the main idea of using a foundation is not to lighten or darken your complexion. It is just used to hide your spots or uneven skin tone, that's it. There is no the thing that applying a foundation can lighten your skin tone, so don't run around lightening your complexion. So going with the first foundation, that is Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation. This is my absolute favorite foundation. It retails for 500 rupees for 30 ml of product, and that's really a great deal guys. And I'm in the shade 125 Nude Beige. And you get 18 different shades for all skin types and all the from dusky skin tone to lighter skin tone. So you can find a huge range of shades in this one. And talking about the formulation and consistency, you can see it, but the only drawback about this thing, it does not have a pump dispenser. You have to take like this. Yeah, let me swatch it for you guys here. Yeah, you can see guys what a coverage it gives. Consistency, as you can see, it's a creamy, like any general foundation has the same consistency, but it's like super blendable as it says, and it's suitable for normal to dry skin. So I think all skin types can definitely go for this one. This is my personal favorite. You can see how easily it is blendable. I'm just using my fingers and you can see how quickly it got absorbed. Yeah, and it's matching my skin tone. Actually this one is a little bit lighter to my skin tone, but it kind of go, that's why I use this shade. But yeah, you can see guys. Talking about the price point, it retails for 500 as I said before. I think for the quality and the quantity, the price is really good. I would not say it's too expensive or too affordable, but it's a Maybelline guys, so yeah, I think it's really good for beginners. You can definitely go with this one. And talking about the coverage, I think it gives you achievable coverage. The coverage is really good guys. You can definitely go with this one. Even brides can also use this one because it gives you that really good coverage and natural coverage, and there's a little bit shine. It's not super matte, but I think super matte will not also look good, but this one, the coverage it gives, the finish it gives is really good. So for beginners I would highly recommend this one, or even for someone who is pro at makeup can also go with this one. So this foundation is available on Nykaa, Amazon and Purple, and most of the times it's on discounts. And if you don't want to buy this huge one, then you can go with the smaller one which comes in a tube, which is I think 15 ml. I don't know clearly, but I'll link them in the description box. So I would highly recommend this one for you guys. So talking about my next favorite foundation is this NYX Professional Foundation, and this one has my heart. Like, this one is so beautiful. Like, look at the packaging, it's so different. It comes with this dropper and it looks so aesthetic when you do that makeup videos. Finish it gives is so beautiful. Like, let me show you guys. First of all, I'm a big fan of this dropper kind of opener. Yeah, and you have to like press this one as you do for any dropper, and you can see like it holds a lot of product in a dropper, and dropper works really well. So I'm gonna swatch it for you guys on this hand. Yeah, you just need a really little bit of it. Sorry. I'm gonna just put 2 drops because you will see how much it spreads, because 2 drops is really so much. You can see that it spreads really well. And the coverage, wow, super blendable. I love this one, guys. This one is a Maybelline one and this one is the NYX one. I'm not sort of comparing, but yeah, I'm just telling you guys to get an idea. And it will not make your skin feel dry. So this one retails for 800 rupees for 13 ml of product. I know it's a bit expensive, but guys, it is really good. It's really beautiful and it's gonna last you really long, as you have, you know, as one drop gonna go you a long way. About the coverage, you can see it does not give you that complete foundation coverage, but if you build your foundation, then definitely it gives that coverage. You have to build it again to achieve that coverage. But for daily look, for no makeup look, this foundation is really good. It's gonna blend really well. Guys, I know it's a bit expensive for beginners, but the quality is really good. If you're someone who don't want to invest so much, then you can see other options which I'll be showing in next. But if you can afford something like this, then you can definitely go with this one. So I will also recommend this one for those who can afford something like this. So talking about my last favorite foundation, that one is the Lakme Perfecting Liquid Foundation. Who does not know about this one? This one, I know this one since my childhood. I'm in the shade Natural Marble. I know this does not have lot many shade, but it retails for only 155 rupees. That is super affordable for a foundation, and it is a Lakme, which is a good brand, so you can trust this one. And the only drawback that I find about this is it does not have that many shades, but yeah, it also comes with the same packaging. Like, I'm gonna swatch this one here. Okay. Oh my god, like I think it's gonna go all over my hand. Oh my god, that's a lot of product. I think I just took really small amount of it, but yeah, it went a long way. Yeah, it smells good. It does not smell cheap. If you're a beginner, then I think this one is super affordable from all the remaining that I've shown. This one is super affordable, guys, and it's Lakme. And what I have to say about this, so if you think that it's really like affordable, how can it work good, then you're underestimating this one. You can definitely go with this one. You can see, guys, you can definitely see the way it's spread, like from here to here. You just need a little bit and it's gonna go a long way. So yeah, it's available in Nykaa, Amazon and Purple, and even in the local stores. So yeah, get this one if you want something affordable. So these are my top 3 favorite foundation, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and before we end this video, let me tell you guys how to find that perfect foundation shade. I know selecting a perfect foundation shade can sometimes get so complex, so don't worry guys, I'll let you know. If you have not gotten your foundation shade before, then let me tell you guys, for the first time when you buy a foundation, do try buying it from the local stores, like from Stopper Stops or Lifestyles, the stores which are available outside where you can get these makeup products, because there you will get the perfect shade. You can see it, and once you have achieved that perfect foundation, then you can buy online. For the first time, I don't recommend you guys to buy online because it may mismatch and it may disappoint you so much. So try getting the foundation outside from your local stores rather than purchasing it for online. So let me tell you how you can buy if you are going to buy outside. So there will be some sample swatches, of course. Then you can take that sample swatch and swatch it near your jawline, like here, like you can see. Yeah, I'm gonna swatch it. I'm a mess, guys. So you can see I have swatched it and it just looks really closer to my skin tone. You can go to a store and you can just swatch it near your jawline and see whether it matches your skin tone or not. It should not be dark or light. It should be nearer to your skin tone, guys. As I told you before, don't run around, lighting your complexion. It does not makes any change, guys. You're beautiful in your own way. Complexion does not defines you how beautiful you are. So don't run around that. Select the shade which is matching to you. You can see that it is nearly closer to my skin, a little bit light, but it's okay. It goes with my skin tone. So this one is a good click for my skin tone. So this is how you can select your shade. Talking about the Lakme one, as I think most of you guys wanna buy this one. Let me show you guys. So I'm gonna swatch it. You can see the difference. Both of them are like close. This one is a bit in the warmer skin tones, like yellow skin tones, because I am a warmer skin tone. So yeah, it really goes well. This one becomes really light, little bit light, but that's okay for my skin. So yeah, this is how you can select your foundation shade. So this is it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for all the love and support. Hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and do also follow us on Instagram. The link will be in the description box, and do follow all our videos for beginners guide. These gonna be really helpful for you guys, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family members. Until then, stay tuned. Bye bye.